Hello, this is Raina with Lylo Crafts coming on today to share this awesome mini album, flipbook. It could even be a mini journal. So I am also featuring this beautiful Temu paper. Now I have to say, this paper is only $2.06 and it comes with every cut apart that you see plus so much more, which I will show you at the end. So if you are new to Temu, please go and check them out. Use my link. You can get 50% off your first purchase. And I definitely recommend this set. Okay, so here is my cover. Only things that I used in here other than the paper are a little bit of stickles. And I used my Tim Holtz Distress ink and I used a little bit of ribbon. Okay, everything else, like all the paper, all the embellishments are all from the collection. Okay, so look at this beautiful front cover. Can you see? I think the stickles just adds a little something. Here are tags front and back that I dangled off the front. I'm just gonna go ahead and slide off my cover piece, and then we're gonna open it up, and you can see here's the first pocket over here. I've got one of the cut aparts in here. Look at the stickles, and I've inked it with that blue. And then this, I've got the, I put glitter on vellum, and I did learn that from Pink Strawberries, so thank you so much. But I actually made 2 thin strips, which I thought was so fun. And here's that paper. Then when you turn to this side, you've got room to journal or put anything you would like, pictures, and then you open it up, and I've got a sweet pocket over here, and I've got 2 of these sweet letter pieces to journal on in the back. I added this sweet little tag over here, again, all from the collection. And then I've got this hidden paper clip. It comes with these awesome postcards, and I love it sticking out, and you can actually see the word postcard when you close it. So I love that. And look at this beautiful paper that it came with. And then you flip it open, and here you can see that postcard on the other side. And I used these cut aparts. I just cut them out with my scallop punch, but you could just hand cut them out straight. And a piece of the paper over here. And I made a triple pocket on this side. So this is the first one with the paper, and here's one of the cut aparts in here. Then I've got a second one right here, which is this craft paper one. And so look, you can tuck anything you want inside there. Then I have a third one. Yes, so behind here. And I've got all these cut aparts. Look, front and back. Yes, front and back on all of these. That's how many pieces there are to this set. I mean, I cannot believe it. All, again, for $2.06. And I'll put a link to the item as well as the other awesome items that I hauled from Temu in the description below, so you can check it out. So that's this. Okay, and this, and then we flip this over, and look, isn't this fun? I made a tag flip. I thought that was so fun. So not just a square, I just literally cut out this tag, put it on top of craft cardstock, and then I also back the back. If you can see, it comes with these sweet sentiments. This one that says for you, and this one that says with love. I thought that was so great. For you with love. And then you can journal or add pictures here. And then I put another vellum pocket on the back here, and I made 2 beautiful tags with, again, cut aparts from this collection, and I just added some beautiful ribbons to that, and I did the double silver glitter on the back here. And then I've got this beautiful piece from the collection on the back. I so appreciate you checking out my video. And if you like this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up, comment. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. And I have relatively frequent giveaways. I am just in love with this. Now, just as a reminder, in case you didn't see my other video, I made 3 big journal pockets and file folders with these goodies. And there's even more left over. Okay, so I've got those 3. I've got all this. I've got the closure here, and then look at all these that I have left. That I can make bag toppers. I can make ephemera. I can make more pockets. I mean, I cannot believe how much you get for $2.06. Now, this is thinner paper, so you would need to back it onto some cardstock for this, but I love it. I love it. So, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.